Every time a new celestial object streaks into our solar system, the internet lights up with the same burning question: is it an alien spacecraft? In early 2026, the discovery of a highly unusual object named C/2026 A1 MAPS sent shockwaves through the astronomical community and the online world alike. Rumors began swirling that this anomalous object, heading straight for our sun, might be an extraterrestrial probe, drawing immediate comparisons to the infamous interstellar visitors, Oumuamua and 3I/Atlas. But what is the actual likelihood that C/2026 A1 MAPS is an alien craft heading our way? And how does it connect to these previous cosmic mysteries? Today, we are diving deep into the facts, the science, and the controversial theories surrounding these enigmatic objects to uncover the truth. To understand the hysteria around C/2026 A1, we have to look back at the object that started it all. Oumuamua. Discovered in October 2017, Oumuamua was the first confirmed interstellar object to pass through our solar system. Its shape was incredibly bizarre, long, thin, and cigar-like, completely unlike any asteroid or comet we had ever seen. Even stranger, it accelerated as it left our solar system, but it did not have a visible comet tail or outgassing to explain the speed boost. This anomaly led Harvard astrophysicist R.V. Loeb to propose a highly controversial theory that Oumuamua could be artificial, perhaps a piece of alien technology or a light sail pushed by solar radiation. While the mainstream scientific community ultimately concluded it was likely a natural, albeit strange, extrasolar rock, the seed of doubt was planted. The idea that alien artifacts might be drifting through our cosmic backyard captured the public's imagination permanently. The mystery deepened in July 2025 with the discovery of 3I/Atlas. Following Oumuamua and 2I/Borisov, 3I/Atlas became the third confirmed interstellar visitor. Plunging into our solar system from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius, it moved on a strictly hyperbolic trajectory, traveling at 68 kilometers per second relative to the Sun. Way too fast to be bound by our Sun's gravity. Naturally, the alien mothership theories reignited, with some scientists again sparking controversy. Headlines buzzed with speculation as it made close passes by Mars in October, Venus in November, and eventually Earth in December 2025. But as telescopes like Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope zoomed in, the truth of 3I/Atlas was revealed. Images showed a fragmented icy core, crumbling and evolving as it reacted to the Sun's heat. It proved that extrasolar visitors are real, but in the case of 3I/Atlas, it was a spectacular natural comet, not a galactic cruiser. This brings us to the star of early 2026, C/2026 A1 MAPS. Discovered on January 13, 2026, by a team of French astronomers operating remote telescopes in Chile's Atacama Desert, this new comet immediately triggered alarm bells. Because it was spotted at a massive distance of over 300 million kilometers from the Sun, yet it was already glowing brightly with a hazy turquoise halo. This early brilliance and unusual behavior fueled wild online speculation. Social media platforms exploded with theories that MAPS was an alien craft, perhaps arriving to observe Earth. The rumors claimed its trajectory was too precise, its glow too artificial. But astronomers quickly calculated its orbit and discovered its true identity, which is arguably just as fascinating as the alien theories. Unlike Oumuamua or 3I/Atlas, C/2026 A1 MAPS is not an interstellar visitor. It is strictly native to our solar system. Specifically, It is a Kreutz Sungrazer. The Kreutz family is a group of comets on orbits that take them incredibly close to the Sun. Scientists believe they are all fragments of a single giant parent comet that broke apart thousands of years ago, perhaps the Great Comet of 1106. These kamikaze ice balls plunge toward the Sun, and most are completely vaporized by the intense heat and immense tidal forces. Historical Kreutz Sungrazers include some of the brightest objects ever seen in human history, like the Great Comet of 1882 or Comet Ikea-Seki. So MAPS is not an alien spacecraft. It is a chunk of ancient ice on a suicidal dive toward our star. But if it's just a normal sungrazer, why did it spark so much confusion and alien speculation? The answer lies in its discovery distance. C/2026A1 broke the record for the furthest Kreutz sungrazer ever discovered. Spotting a sungrazer over 2 astronomical units away is practically unheard of. Usually, they are only found when they are right on top of the Sun, days or even hours before perihelion. Because MAPS was visible 81 days before its closest approach, it implies that the nucleus is surprisingly large and active. The comet's stunning turquoise glow, caused by diatomic carbon emissions, added to the eerie, otherworldly appearance in telescope images. This combination of an unprecedented early discovery, a glowing halo, and an incoming trajectory straight for the inner solar system created the perfect storm for extraterrestrial conspiracy theories. The true climax of the C/2026A1 story is set for April 4th, 2026. On this day, the comet will reach perihelion, passing a mere 160,000 kilometers above the blazing surface of the Sun. To put that in perspective, it will be traveling at over 2 million miles per hour through temperatures of thousands of degrees. This is the ultimate test of survival. Astronomers are fiercely debating what will happen. Some predict that due to its faint absolute magnitude, MAPS might be a headless wonder, destined to completely disintegrate and vaporize, leaving only a ghost-like tail behind. Others hope that if the icy nucleus is solid enough, it could survive the solar slingshot and emerge in the spring sky as a brilliant, naked-eye comet, putting on a breathtaking show for observers on Earth. In the end, the likelihood that C/2026A1 is an alien craft is zero. It is a well-documented native Kreutz comet with a predictable, albeit extreme, orbit. The connection to Oumuamua and 3I/Atlas is largely psychological. Those groundbreaking interstellar discoveries fundamentally changed how we perceive unexpected celestial visitors. They opened our minds to the vast possibilities of the universe, making us question every new anomaly in the night sky. While MAPS may not be the alien mothership that science fiction fans were hoping for, it remains a phenomenal scientific event. It offers us a rare front-row seat to the dramatic, fiery mechanics of our solar system. Keep your eyes on the skies this April, because whether it vaporizes or shines brightly, the universe rarely disappoints. To stay up to date with Comet C 2026A1 MAPS and more interesting facts about our cosmos, please consider subscribing.